everyone. Happy Wednesday or Thursday, depending on when you have live class. Our learning target is the same. It will be the same all week. We are working on our action plans. So it is, I can show all the objects in the universe that I will visit with my space travelers by creating an informational map. In the chat, while we wait for the rest of our classmates to join us, you're going to tell me, where was your first stop on your tour of the universe, and why did you decide to pick that? I'm just curious. There is no right or wrong. So my first stop was Earth because that's where we live, that's what I know, and that's what stands out to me the most. For example, and then also please be sure to complete the daily attendance form in Schoology. I'll set the timer for 5 minutes, and then we will move on with our day. We'll review the plan for week 2 of trimester 2. As you can see, we're on day 3 of our action plan, depending on when you have class, either Wednesday or Thursday. We will continue on to work on this throughout the week until Friday. You'll turn that in if you are ready, so that you don't have any work to do over winter break. And then you can also remember to turn in Scope 3 INB whenever you feel necessary. Remember, you will get a 4 out of 4 because of the schedule and teacher changes. So even if you only completed 1 page, you get a free pass this time. But moving forward, don't forget, always do your interactive notebook because it helps you get ready for your summative tests. So that's the week for Monday and Wednesday, and this is the week for Tuesday and Thursday. They are pretty much the same, except you need to remember that we do not have school for 2 weeks. We will return on Monday, January 4th. I can't wait. The flow for today is we're going to play Kahoot for a community builder. We'll take a brain break. I'll repeat the lesson, and then you'll have work time. You'll always check out with the Vista for reflection so we can see how you're doing. And the Kahoot this time is about animals in winter. We'll play that. We'll take our brain break. The learning target, again, is I can show all the objects in the universe that I will visit with my space travelers by creating an informational map. This is not due until Friday, so make sure you are doing your best work because I know you can all get a 4. You just have to put in a little bit of time and a little bit of effort. So today you're going to continue to create an informational map of the universe, choosing your 8 stops. Where are you going to take your tourists? Where would you like to go? Here's some information about what we're doing, what we know. Here is the rubric you can review. All of these things will get you a 3. If you go above and beyond, you can get a 4. What that means is adding some glow to your project. You can add additional stops. You can change the fonts, the colors of the font. You can add additional images. You can change the background. If you have any questions about this, please feel free to ask your teacher, and we will be more than happy to help. Here is how to access your assignment and submit it when you are ready. You do not need to turn it in until Friday, but if you get done, you can turn it in earlier. I don't need to play this right now. And then we'll take time for questions. For this assignment, you're going to need your Chromebook, obviously. Make sure it's charged, have access to Schoology, continue to work on your action plan. You're identifying your objects or stops on your space tour. You need to make sure to include brief descriptions of each object. What are they? Why do we need to go there, or why would you want to go there? And then check out with your Vista for reflection poll with your teacher. Again, not due until Friday the 18th. So you can always do better, always try to improve. whatever you feel is necessary. You can work independently, so if you get done, if you worked for about half an hour and you're like, I think I'm done for the day, feel free to just do that reflection poll. If you want to spend more time and ask questions, feel free to hang out in class. We'll return, do our Fist of Four reflection, and that's it for the day. Please, please, please make sure you reach out to your teachers if you need any extra support or help. We're here for you. This is a summative final project, so we want to make sure that you are getting the very best support and you're doing the very best you can. Thank you all for listening and have a wonderful day. We'll see you all later.